Hey guys, Kenny from Exotic Car DIY. Just a real quick video, guys, talking about the LED strip bulb. So the LED running lights were kind of new, especially to Ferrari, and so the best they had was these little halogen bulbs. And if you look at them, they're pretty much pathetic. They're very yellow, they're quite dim. So anyway, there's a company that makes a great replacement. I believe it's SCUD Inc. And they make an LED strip you can put in here, and it costs $750. As much as I want that, I'm going to use the money for some other things first, maybe exhaust or wheels or something like that. But eventually, probably break down and get it. But in the meantime, we're going to see if putting in just one of these cheap Amazon LED bulbs is going to give us any kind of improvement. So anyway, this will show you both how to get to your HIDs and how to replace any bulbs that are in the housing. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you can do this with the wheel in place if you just turn it, but mine's already on the lip for the wheel off, and then you don't need to take this off. It was just already off. Anyway, two 8mm here, and you can easily remove this panel. Now behind this panel you have your HID bulb. I believe it's just a regular Osram D1S bulb, and you know, I'm going to leave it in there. If I ever upgrade that, I'll probably just put a Nightbreaker laser in there. That's usually my go-to HID bulb. But over here is just the main plug. I believe this is your blinker. So back here, there's another little rubber cover. If you pull it off, you expose the LED strip bulb. And I'll get the camera in there so you can see it. So if you look behind this harness, that's the little thing. It's really hard to get out with your hands, so use a pair of pliers. Reach in there, and there's a nice yellow tab. And you're just going to pull straight out. There's no twist on this one. When you pull it straight out, you'll expose the bulb. So all we're going to do to get the bulb out, push in and kind of twist left, it comes out. So the wires from this harness go back inside the headlight, so you really don't have a whole lot of room, but you don't need a whole lot. Just put it in there, make sure you get it to twist right, and it'll stay in place. And then you can insert it back in there and you just kind of shove it in there, and you do feel it click in place. Again, there's no twisting on that. So anyway, we're simply going to put the cap back into place. I don't freaking drop it. Okay. All right, rubber cap's back into place, and I'm just going to make sure I got everything sealed up. All right, guys, so that is literally it. So let's go ahead and turn off the lights and see if there's any change. Okay, guys, here you go. Here is the result. I'll let you guys try to figure out which one is the LED. No, I'm kidding. I have the exposure locked right now in this setting, so you can kind of see the setting. It does, depending on where you look at it, the light does come all the way out to the end. And then again, compare that to the stock halogen over here. It's basically a night and day difference. You know, I as much as I'd like to have that $700 SCUD Inc., you know, LED kit, and I know this is probably no comparison to that, this'll tide me over. I guess that's the best way to put it. So anyway, guys, I hope that does a good demonstration of the difference between the, you know, just a $9 Amazon bulb versus the factory halogen. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.